What's up, son? You having fun? Yeah, I see you, man. Me and Big Legend over here taking a quick break. You need to take a break? All right, come pull in. Go do one more circle and then pull in next to the four-wheeler. Take a break. It's getting hot already out here.
I want some more snacks.
You want some more snacks? All right, what you want?
Some chips.
All right, I got chips. I got some sandwiches, some fruit snacks.
I want some chips.
You want some chips?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I got you, man. Don't worry. Nice pull in, son. Kickstand down. Nope. Nope. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Kickstand down. All right. You down in neutral. Roll the bike up. See if you can roll up. If you can roll up, that means you in neutral. If your bike rolls. All right. It rolls. You're in neutral. Good cutoff. Man, you done came a long way, man. You done came a long way. You done came a long way, man. Come dap it up real quick. You done came a long way, man. You done came a long way. Proud of you, my boy. Take it off. Take it off. Let's go ahead and get you something cold to drink. Get you some Gatorade or some water this time. Gatorade or water.
Apple juice.
If it's already one open. If it ain't, get you some water. Matter of fact, get some water.
It's open, Daddy.
Nah, get some. It's already open? All right, go ahead, man. Next time, after you drink that, you drinking a whole thing of water next time. So once you drink that apple juice, it's gonna be straight water. Cause it's hot out here, man. Look at Big Legend, back at it again. He's back at it again. He just can't get enough. Look at him, he can't get enough. Playing soccer. Son, you ready to play soccer?
Yeah.
You gonna be like that one guy. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah, Cristiano.
You gonna be like him? Oh yeah. I hope you do. I hope you do.
Yeah, I'm gonna be Messi.
You gonna be Messi?
Messi.
Is he good? I don't really know a lot about soccer. Is Messi good?
Messi sucks.
Oh man, but I bet you he making some good money.
Yeah, Ronaldo is the good and Messi is not.
But I bet you Messi still making some good money though.
Daddy, Messi sucks.
If it's a real Messi, cause I don't know. Big Legend said Messi. I'm just going with Big Legend.
Yeah,
It is?
Yeah, it is Messi.
It is Messi? Seemed like I didn't heard of a soccer player. That's why I say but I don't know him. I'm gonna look him up though. I'm about to look him up on Google right now.